Today I'm going to compare the Atomy toothbrush with this pretty famous brand called Oral-B. This one is I got from the dentist office. Okay, what I'm gonna compare is, I'm gonna open this pack up first. And open this up. So you can see this toothbrush is very soft and it's gold particles coated. So 99% antibacterial. This one is the regular Oral-B. And I'm gonna get a piece of napkins, put it right here. I'm going to compare how soft this Atomy is. So first I'm gonna use this Oral-B. And I'm gonna get the paper and start scraping it. And then you can see pretty fast this paper is torn up. And I'm gonna do the same thing with Atomy. See? And I'll be doing this for a much longer time. And then the paper still exactly the same, did not change. And also I have my Philips Sonicare. This is an electric toothbrush, which I like to use a lot most of the time. Let's see this one too. This is I got this, it's very soft too as well. I can try. Can you tell the difference on the paper? Okay, again with Atomy, the paper is still the same. So imagine these different toothbrushes on your gum. That's why when I have some gum problems, like if my gum is swollen or is bleeding, I always switch to this Atomy toothbrush. With the Atomy toothpaste, it's gonna help my gum heal much better.